Hello children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 4 today I am going to tell keywords. Okay, so I have underlined some words in the textbook. So open the textbook and underline them and learn them, and even I will also forward you the PDF. Okay, so first here lesson number 5 class 4 keywords. Okay, so here in the page number 220. Okay, so 220 you will see this in the central highlands I have underlined Aravalli Hills, Aravali Aravalli Hills, 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 Aravalli Hills. Okay, next Deccan Plateau, Deccan, Deccan, Plateau, Deccan Plateau, underline the word Deccan Plateau. Okay, so Deccan Plateau is also called as Southern Plateau. Okay, next peninsular, Peninsular, peninsular. Peninsular means it's a southern tip of India. Okay, so the area which is surrounded with water bodies is called to be as peninsular. Okay, the southern part of the India is a peninsular. Peninsular India will call. Okay, Peninsular, peninsular. Next, Anaimudi. Anaimudi is the highest peak in this region. In the Deccan Plateau, Anaimudi is the highest peak. In the Deccan Plateau, Anaimudi is the highest peak. Okay, so Anai, 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 Mudi, Anaimudi. Okay, next, in the life in this region, I have underlined copper, 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 coal, 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 iron, 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 Ore, or iron ore. So these are some minerals. Okay, so next manganese, Manganese, manganese. These are some minerals. Okay, where we found these minerals in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So in these states have rich deposits of minerals such as coal, iron ore, copper, manganese. Okay, next Panna, Panna, Panna. So Panna is a place in Madhya Pradesh where diamond mines are. Panna has diamond mines. So where we found diamond mines. Panna, Panna. Panna is a place in the Madhya Pradesh where we find diamond mines. Okay, next Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, tin is also mined in Chhattisgarh. Okay, tin, tin is mined in Chhattisgarh. Now turn the page. Here in the Jharkhand, Litti Choka and Tikua Chow is a popular dances. Litti Choka and Tikua Chow is a popular dance. Jharkhand, Litti, Litti Choka, 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 Litti Choka. Next, Tikua Chow, Thekua, Tikua Chow, Chhau, Chow, Tikua Chow is the popular dances. Next, in Telangana, there are some industries. What are they? Information technology, automobiles, pharmaceuticals. Okay, information technology. Information, information technology. Technology, technology, IT, information technology. Next, automobiles, auto, mobiles, automobiles. Next, pharmaceuticals, pharmaceuticals, pharmaceuticals. Okay, next Kuchipudi is the famous dance in Telangana. Okay, Kuchipudi, Kuchipudi, Kuchipudi. Okay, so Karnataka, Yakshagna is the popular dance. Okay, Yakshagna, 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 Yakshagna. Next, Lavani. In Maharashtra, Lavani is the popular folk dance. Lavani. Lavani. Lavani is the popular folk dance in Maharashtra. Okay, so next, cellular jail, Cellular, cellular jail, jail, cellular jail. It is the uh, visiting place in Port Blair of in Andaman Nicobar Islands. We found this cellular jail. Okay, CELLULAR cellular jail, JAIL, cellular jail. Okay, next. Okay, so that's it, children. This is enough for keywords. Okay, so learn all these words. Okay, tomorrow in the Zoom class I am going to conduct dictation from these words. Yes, now turn the page. Here map work, here we have map work. Yes, mark and label the following on the map on page number 236. If we open page number 236, we found a map. So in that we need to map Eastern Ghats, Southern Plateau, Western Ghats, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, river Godavari. So all of them, first open page number 236. Okay, so here already we have done Tara Desert. Okay, so in these only they have given these also. Okay, next. First what they have asked, first what is the first one? Eastern Ghats, EASTERN, Eastern, GHATS, Eastern Ghats. So it is in the right side of the, it means east side of the southeast side, Eastern Ghats were situated, southeast side. EASTERN, Eastern, GHATS, Eastern Ghats, southeast side. This is the southeast side. Okay, next. Western Ghats, WESTERN, Western Ghats, GHATS, Western Ghats, southwest part. In the southwest part, these Western Ghats were situated. So right above the black line. Okay, right above the black line. So here we found a line in the Southern Ghats to Eastern Ghats. So here this is Godavari river. That line is Godavari river, GODAVARI, Godavari river. Okay, next. Deccan Plateau, Southern Plateau is also called to be as Deccan Plateau, DECCAN, Deccan, PLATEAU, Plateau. Above the Ganga river we need to write this Deccan Plateau. Okay, next. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, east part of the India we have some islands. So these islands are called to be as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. ANDAMAN, Andaman, and 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 Nicobar, NICOBAR, Nicobar Islands, 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 Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, next, west side of the India. Here the small dots, we call it as Lakshadweep, 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 Lakshadweep. Okay, so this is in the, these islands were situated in the west side. It means in the Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar Islands were situated in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands were situated in Arabian Sea. Okay, so this is about today's class, children. See you in the next class. All of them attend Zoom class without fail. Yes, take care.